हेलो एवरीबॉडी, गुड इवनिंग। इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में हम लोगों ने क्लास 10th इकोनॉमिक्स चैप्टर सेक्टर्स ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी के रिवीजन, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, बुलेट पॉइंट्स, की पॉइंट्स डिस्कस कर रहे थे। उसी को आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे। स्टे कनेक्टेड, कीप स्माइलिंग। नेक्स्ट टर्म दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, टर्शियरी सेक्टर। टर्शियरी सेक्टर से पहले सेकेंडरी सेक्टर, इट इंक्लूड्स, सेकेंडरी सेक्टर को हम लोग एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर ना बोल के उसको इंडस्ट्रियल बेस्ड सेक्टर भी कहते हैं। Secondary sector, it includes all those economic activities which are related to the manufacturing process. Mining of iron ore is a primary activity, but manufacturing of steel is a secondary activity. Tertiary sector को service sector भी बोलते हैं. It is the sector which is related to the service activities like transportation, banking, insurance, etc. Next important term, that is final product. The goods which are ready for consumption are called final product. For example, bread which is ready for consumption. Intermediate. What is the meaning of intermediate? All goods which are used as raw materials for further production of goods or for resale in the same year are known as intermediate goods. For example, flour which will be used for production of the bread, so flour is an intermediate product. GDP, gross domestic product. What is GDP? It is the value of only final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country. Now, next important topic की ओर हम लोग बढ़ते हैं, जो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है एग्जाम के लिए। हाउ टू क्रिएट मोर एम्प्लॉयमेंट, ज्यादा से ज्यादा रोजगार कैसे क्रिएट किया जा सकता है, देखते हैं। स्टार्ट करते हैं रिवीजन नोट्स। अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट और डिस्गाइज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट मीन्स मोर पीपल engaged in job than needed. More employment can be created in a country like India by building more dams and canals to provide water to the farmers, by providing cheap credit facilities and crop insurance, by spending more money on transport and storage, technical training, and by providing cheap bank loan at cheaper interest. A study conducted by the Planning Commission of India, now known as Niti Aayog, estimates that nearly 20 lakh jobs can be created in the education sector alone. In our country, the central government made a law implementing the right to work in 200 districts, and the next ended to an additional 130 districts. It is called National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005, NREGA 2005. Now it is Manrega. GDP is the sum of the money. GDP is the sum of the money value of final goods and services produced in each sector during a particular year within the domestic territory of a country. What is the objective of implementing Manrega 2005? To give employment opportunities to the people who live in rural areas, to raise the standard of living of the people, to implement the right to work. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इस चैप्टर के नेक्स्ट पॉइंट्स के साथ। थैंक यू।